Hello everyone, myself Kagni Vishnu and today's topic of daily task video is Tenali Tales Raman the Thief Catcher. Let's start the movie. This movie is about the intelligence of Tenali Rama who had tried and catch the thieves in Krishna Devara. Let's start the story. Once upon a time, there is one kingdom which name as Vijayanagar, and the king of Vijayanagar is Krishna Dev Rai. In the Vijayanagar, what happened? There was one team is active by the thief, and the thief these thieves stole the money. These thieves had stolen the money from the Vijayanagar and from the lots of house of the Vijayanagars. The Kotwal of Vijayanagar, Kotwal means the chief of the police. These are not able to try or not able to catch the thief. Due to this, the King Krishna Dev Rai was very upset on the Kotwal. So Kotwal said that if we said to Tenali Ram, then he will 100% catch the thief. King Krishna Dev Rai asked to the Tenali Ram to catch the thieves. Tenali Ram said that yes, I will catch the thief. After that, Tenali Ram went to the house. Went to his house and said to his wife, spread one news that we had lot of monies. The wife of Tenali Ram spread this news. We had a lot of money and we are rich. In 2 days, this news got spread. In whole Vijayanagar. The thief was also listened this news, and the thief was thinking to steal the money of Tenali Rama's house. One day what happened? The one member from the thieves gang was watching the Tenali Rama's house. Tenali Rama knows that this is a member from the thief, but he didn't catch thief. That night, Tenali Rama did what did? Tenali Rama collect all his money and put him into the safe place, and he took one box of wood and put the stones and bricks in the box, and this box had put it in the well. When he putting the box in the well, the member of thief was seeing this. After that, what happened? This member tells all story about Tenali Rama's house to all his gang members. He tried to attempt to steal the money from the well, and when he was drawing money from the well, the Tenali Rama catch the thieves, and King Krishna Dev Rai gifts Tenali Ram for his intelligence. This is the story of Tenali Rama's. I hope all of you understand this story. Thank you so much.